हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रेंड्स। ए वीडियो रे आमे जानिबा कंपोजिट स्कूल ग्रांट किपरि यूटिलाइज हेबो। देखंतु गाइडलाइन फॉर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ कंपोजिट स्कूल ग्रांट एंड सबमिशन यूसी एटा देखंतु 2024 जून रो चिट्ठी। तेबे guideline and UC to be submitted in phase manner within the timeline as mentioned in the guidelines. It is mentioned here that the composite school grant 10,000 for enrollment less than 30 students and 25,000 for enrollment in between 30 to 100 and 50,000 for enrollment in between 100 to 250 students, 75,000 for enrollment in between 250 to 1000 and 1 lakh for enrollment greater than 1000 students। तेबे एटा कंपोजिट स्कूल ग्रांट रो अमाउंट। तेबे गाइडलाइन रही देखंतु गाइडलाइंस फॉर कंपोजिट ग्रांट 10% of the composite school grant should be used for activities related to Swachhata action plan. For example, undertaking of maintenance and deep cleaning of school facilities like toilets, safe drinking water. Second, water, sanitations and hygiene, that is wash infrastructure. Then third, hand washing with soap, operation and maintenance, behavioral change activities like use of dustbin, segregations of dry and wet waste, etc. Sixth, capacity building, beautification of school ambience, repair and maintenance of ramp with handrail, replacement of non-functional school equipment requiring cost like consumable, laboratories, electricity charges, internet, water charges. Then annual maintenance and repair of existing school building, toilets and other facility to upkeep the infrastructure in good condition. Development of specific teaching aids and tools by school teacher to enhance classroom learning in the school under LEP. Then the part of the fund must be utilized for school development in the parameter of PGI. 8. Provision of rainwater harvesting structure may be executed in school getting grant of 50 half lakhs and above per annum. 40% of grant must be utilized by 31st August, next 30% by 31st December and balance 30 by end of the March. After due expenditure, the UC to be submitted in the phase manner by 15th September, 15th January, 31st March respectively. The BO will ensure the submission of UC as per schedule. Civil related activity will be taken up after due consultations of TCS and senior TC. The UC against civil related activity among to 5,000 or more should be furnished before concerned BO with due counter signature of technical consultant. Therefore, you are requested to issue suitable instruction to consult HM for timely utilization of composite school grant and submission of UC. Tebe this is all about the guidelines. गोटे है 10% जोटा आमर सानिटाइजेशन उपरे बेस रही। तापर सेकेंड है रिपेयर एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ रैंप एंड विथ हैंड्रिल सेकेंड रे हबो। तापरे रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ नॉन फंक्शनल स्कूल इक्विपमेंट, recurring cost like consumable, laboratories, electricity charge, internet, water charges ପାଇଁ annual maintenance and repair of existing school building, toilet, other facility to upkeep the infrastructure in good condition, development of specific teaching aids, tools by school teacher to enhance classroom learning in the school under LEP. The part of the fund must be utilized for school development in the parameter of PGI. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you again soon.